In this video, we demonstrate how to trace metadata into the platform. Metadata are objects such as model assumptions, model limitations, and compensating controls. Suppose that, given the recent rapid increase in interest rate levels, the global head of model development has asked the rates lead to identify models that are based on the low volatility, low rates level assumption. The head of rates can confirm that this assumption is shared by 5 models, as indicated in the usage column. We can see that the 5 models are derivatives pricing models in the G10 currencies. Let's delve deeper into a specific model and investigate the euro rates caps and floors model. While exploring the Validations tab for this model in the model inventory, we can see that the latest model validation raised a finding directly related to a change in interest rate levels. We can click on this finding to gather more information about it. As we investigate this finding, we also notice that a similar finding applies to a second model, the US dollar rates swaptions model. At this stage, the model developer might choose to develop an action plan to address these specific findings and assign it to a model developer, who will then be notified accordingly.